All right, what is going on? So, as you can see, 225 from the previous week. Last 2 weeks have been a really red week, but we're going to continue with consistency because that always wins. What we're going to do here is deposit the $100 to get started with this week's instant deposit again. A good thing I always pay them. As you can see, funds available. Scroll down. What we're going to do here is just essentially look over the list of dividends. I do want to get some Coke this week, add on some Carnival, make sure we have at least $100, like I said, or 10 shares. Since I have 2 shares at $30 average, I could probably add another share here. I'm in the wrong section. Go back to buying share instead of buying dollar. Bought 1 share regardless of the price again. Lowered my average to $29 because it was below that $30 mark. Looking around again, like I said, I want to get a share of Coke or 2. I can only afford 1, with the difference that I did buying the Carnival share. So Coke is actually down because of something that happened with Cristiano Ronaldo moving it off the screen. So it's a great time to get in. So obviously I'm going to get in at that point. Now the rest of the money, I'm going to just go in and throw it at Carnival just to get closer to that $100 mark. But obviously, we're going to look around what is down. Obviously, we want to buy in the red and hold for the green days. This share still up, about 81 cents up with 16 shares, about $64 in the market on it. So I could go in on that, but I think I'm going to just add it to Carnival because Carnival is pretty much down here. So let's see. All right, never mind. We'll go with Coke. We got $17.53 left, so we'll put that towards Coke. And that is the remaining of the buying power for the day. Obviously, we're going to wait to see, make sure it's confirmed. Everything confirmed. All right, everything looks good. Thank you for watching another episode of Money with Manny 101. This is week 3 of Investing 101 with our dividend heavy portfolio. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the content. And stick around as we grow the channel. Thank you for watching.